Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Alina shocker to BJP, says ban as Cortalim MLA on Mathany's legacy. Party label doesn't matter. Salcete Forum says kick out party ZP candidates, elect independents. GVP dares Kaitu to get his independent candidate elected in Benali. Kaitu accepts challenge. Churchill enters the arena with his candidate Maria Rebello. Charge sheet ready in Concon building collapse case. Probe focus on negligence by authorities, not corruption. Contractor a main culprit, not builders. Issues certificate for meat sale to traders, demands Churchill Alemao. Charges corruption in blocking beef in Goan markets. Kakula Goans beat Gino Dragons, enters final with Salgaonkars on Sunday. Swapnil Asnurkar slams first century in GPL 2015. Sunny and Swapnil shared man of the match. Now the news in detail. Minister Alina Saldanha has given a shocker to the BJP, saying Mathany's legacy made her win Cortalim seat and she was sure to win from Cortalim in 2012, irrespective of party label. With a stern and clear reaction, Alina has welcomed Movin Gudino's support for her candidate. Meanwhile, Panchayat Forum of Sarpanch and Panch members from Salcete have appealed Goans to kick out candidates nominated on party lines and vote for independence. Saturday was the last day for filing nominations.
Saturday was the last day for filing nomination for Zilla panchayat poll. While ZP polls are held on party lines, few party leaders have started changing their tones and stand. Alina Saldanha, BJP MLA from Cortalim, has given a stern and straight reaction over her win in 2012. She says she always had a capacity to win Cortalim seat, banking on Mathany's legacy, irrespective of party support. Alina said this during filing of nomination of her Cortalim candidate Olencio Simoes.
I was going to win that election, after Mathany went away, hands down. I had hordes of people coming to my house telling me, Madam, you don't have to go house to house campaigning. I was going to win that. And I'm saying I was going to win that not because of me, but because of Mathany Saldanha.
So it is not BJP, it is not Congress, it is not NGP, it was Mathany's way
yes,
people looked at.
Absolutely. But if Movin is supporting, good, because in an election, you look for support from all quarters.
No, but have you approached him?
No, I have not approached to him, but I am receiving calls from him.
Sarpanch and Panch members from various panchayat across Salcete have raised their voice against ZP poll on party lines. They have appealed people to vote for independent candidates for an unbiased administration.
हांव मागता एक गव्हर्मेंटाचेर लोकांनी एक व्हडलो स्टेप घेवन सगळ्यांनी उठून आपल्याक मोलादीक शिक्को मारून वयचो पूण इंडिपेंडंट लोकां पासत कॅन्डिडेट बसले पार्टीचेर कोण बसले तांकां एकल्याकूय वोट मारचो न्हू.
होय ह्या सरकाराक मस्ती मारल्या आनी चड मत मारला आहा कित्याक आमकां कोणाक ताणें कॉन्फिडंट घेवंक ना आनी कोणाक कॉन्फिडंट घेयनासतना तो मुखार गेल्लो आहा.
सो हांव मागता की सालसेत तशें गोंयच्या लोकां कडेन जे पार्टी लायन आहा ते कॅन्डिडेटांक डोंट सपोर्ट देम आनी एक इंडिपेंडंट एक लोकशाही जो आहा डेमोक्रेसी आहा ती सांबाळून दवरची म्हणून.
MLA Vishnu Wagh accompanied BJP candidate from St. Lawrence constituency, Nilesh Kankonkar. St. Lawrence is a new constituency comprising Karmali, Azoshi Mandur, Neura and Goa Vella Panchayat. Kumbarzua MLA Pandurang Madkaikar's wife Janita Madkaikar is backed by the Congress as ZP candidate from Kumbarzua. Yashasri More and Karishma Dias both withdrew their candidature and extended their support to Janita Madkaikar. Marcus D'Souza, ex-Sarpanch of Vedarbhati, has also filed his nomination as independent candidate from Kolwa. Marcus says he is back to panchayat politics after 13 years following people's demand. Veena Kardos filed her nomination as an independent from Veri. Ullas Tuekar filed his nomination as BJP candidate from Davarli, backed by Minister Avertan Furtado. Meanwhile, Churchill Alemao has supported Maria Ribello from Banauli. Altogether, 326 aspirants have filed nomination for Zilla panchayat poll, 160 from South Goa and 166 applications from North Goa. 120 nominations were filed on the last day itself, 73 from South Goa and 47 from North Goa. Scrutinization of nominations will be done on Sunday and last date for withdrawal is on Monday. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Banauli seat for ZP polls has created a turmoil in Goa Vikas Party. GVP has challenged its rebellious MLA Kaitu Silva to get his independent candidate elected in Banauli. Kaitu has accepted the challenge. Kaitu had earlier voiced that ZP polls on party lines were detrimental. Kaitu has supported Hannibal da Costa. GVP has decided not to field candidate in Banauli. On the other side, Churchill has supported Maria Ribello from Banauli.
GVP was supposed to field Hannibal da Costa from Banauli for ZP poll, but Banaulikars were against ZP polls on party lines. Hence, Hannibal decided to contest as independent. Kaitu challenged GVP's decision and extended an open support to independent candidate. Kaitu says he has become an MLA on his strength and not because of GVP.
तेमी हानीक सांगला एक्सेप्ट केलो ओके म्हणलें तुमचे पार्टी रावता तो म्हणटा आपण पार्टीक रावना हांव पार्टी लायनीचेर एगेन्स्ट आसा म्हाका तेमी हाडून MLA केला म्हणटा काय तूं म्हणटा तेका वळखून नाल्यार 2000 वोटांनी काय तूं येवचो नासलो आय एम विथ द पार्टी बट फॉर दीस इलेक्शन आय एम नॉट.
GVP led by Miki Pashiko is upset with Kaitu's stand. It has also hinted court-martial against Kaitu. Now party has challenged Kaitu to get his candidate elected on his own worth and prove his political mettle in Banauli. Action against Kaitu will follow later.
तो तर म्हणटा आपण आपल्या सत्यात जिखलेलो पक्षाचे जिखोना व मिकी नासतना जिखलेलो जाल्यार आमी पक्षान डिसिजन घेतलें बाबा तेणें तो कॅन्डिडेट बसयलो तेणें जिखोवन दिवचो आमी तेच्या कॅन्डिडेटाक जावं दुसऱ्या कॅन्डिडेटाक सपोर्ट करचो ना ओपोजीट करचो.
Kaitu has accepted the challenge.
हांव जाणा आमगे कॅन्डिडेट आहा तो बाळाले कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी आमगेलो इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट हनीबल आहा तो ह्या इलेक्शन जिखत म्हूण ती आमकां 100% गॅरंटी आहा.
Churchill's candidate poses a challenge to Kaitu's candidate. Churchill is backing Maria Ribello in Banauli.
बाळाल्यात हांवें मारिया रेबेलो पळय म्हणटा तेका आज न्हू स्टार्टिंगसान सपोर्ट आनी हाल्याय सपोर्ट आसता.
Though GVP has opted wait and watch policy on Kaitu Silva's moves, Kaitu's bond with the GVP may get stretched and stressed as the assembly poll approaches. But immediate challenge before Kaitu is to prove his political strength in Banauli. Savyu Dias and Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
The focus in the Concon Ruby residency collapse case seems on negligence by the authorities and not corruption. The probe also hints that the accused builders had no direct role in the substandard building construction and faulty design. Crime branch is ready with a charge sheet in the building collapse case and will likely be filed in the coming week. In the collapse, 31 labourers had lost their lives and several labourers were injured. 11 accused, including 8 government officials, are going to be charged for culpable homicide not amounting to murder.
Ruby Residency collapsed on 4 January 2014. After 14 months of Ruby Residency building collapse, Crime Branch is ready with the charge sheet in this case. According to Crime Branch sources, investigating team has concluded that this case is more about negligence than corruption. The police is charging all the 11 accused for culpable homicide not amounting to murder under Section 304 of Indian Penal Code. But a senior officer close to the investigation told Prudent that court may frame them for the charge of death due to negligence, that is 304A IPC, after arguments on framing of charges. The senior officer connected with this case informed Prudent that there is no evidence that accused builders Pardeep Singh Piring and Jagdeep Sehgal intentionally directed accused contractor to use low-grade construction material. The senior officer also told that accused contractor did not take services from a construction expert and constructed a faulty designed building which led to collapse. Crime Branch has also charged accused officials of Concon Municipal Council for their negligence. Investigating agency has concluded that construction licenses were renewed and occupancy certificates were issued without visiting and inspecting the collapsed building. But there is no documentary evidence that accused officials took bribe. Crime branch is now convinced that accused builders Pardeep Singh Biring and Jagdeep Saikal were in India and they did not go abroad after building collapse. SP Crime Branch Karthik Kashyap told Prudent that it is fault of Interpol. We have asked Interpol to explain how they sent wrong communication that accused builder Pardeep Singh Biring was residing in Manchester, England that time. But after 3 reminders, Interpol has not sent any reply so far. But this wrong communication from Interpol is not going to affect the merits of the case in any way. The focus in the Concon Ruby residency collapse case seems on negligence by the authorities and not corruption. The accusations of corruption lack evidence, though many claim and counterclaims from the stakeholders in the 14-month-long probe lacking convincing answers from the state. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.